The evening city was unusually silent, drowsy beneath the weight of an unexplainable slowness. Catboy jumped from one rooftop to another, expecting his usual blur, but instead felt as if he was gliding through syrup. Little feet barely made jumps between buildings. Gecko and Owlet hovered close by, equally perplexed by this sudden heaviness in the air. Down in Adventure Bay, Ryder called the pups to order. Chase tried to sprint after a rolling can, but he stumbled, his speed had deserted him. Even Zuma's paddle strokes were sluggish in the water. Sky's copter struggled to keep airborne. The pups gathered around Ryder, noses twitching and ears lowered in confusion. Sonic, always a streak of blue across the landscape, zipped up to a stop beside the PAW Patrol. But this time, he stopped slowly and doubled over. He shook his head. "It's like someone put glue on the wind," he groaned, beating the dust from his red shoes. The teams converged at City Square in the half-light of evening. "What's happening?" asked Owlet, drawing circles with her finger, waiting for her powers of flight to return. Sonic frowned. "If all of us lost our speed at the same time, it isn't an accident. Someone planned this." Just then, a faint cry reached their ears from a distant alley. Without hesitation, Catboy, Chase, and Sonic exchanged determined looks. If they couldn't move fast, they'd move together.